What if I told you that your next electric skateboard could combine speed control and style without breaking the bank? Let's dive into the best picks for every rider. The DNA Skate V20 instantly caught my attention with its sleek design and affordable price tag. Right out of the box, the remote felt intuitive and responsive, making it easy to control speed and braking even for a beginner. The deck's grip is solid, giving you confidence on every turn. Powered by a robust motor, this board delivers a smooth ride with enough torque to handle slight inclines effortlessly. What I really appreciated was its balance between performance and portability. It's light enough to carry around without feeling flimsy. Riding the V20 felt liberating. The acceleration is smooth and the braking system works reliably, which is crucial for safety. Plus, the battery life allowed me to enjoy several miles of continuous riding without anxiety about running out of power. If I had to nitpick, the top speed might feel a bit modest for thrill seekers, but for most casual riders, it hits the sweet spot. Overall, the DNA Skate V20 is a fantastic option for anyone wanting an accessible, reliable electric skateboard that doesn't compromise on quality. Can you imagine cruising through your neighborhood with ease and style? This board might just be the ticket. The Meepo Campus stands out immediately thanks to its compact size and smooth acceleration. Once I held the remote, I noticed its ergonomic design, which made controlling the board feel natural and precise. The board itself has a sturdy build, perfect for both beginners and those with some experience. Equipped with powerful dual motors, the Campus tackles hills and rough patches with surprising ease. The deck offers a comfortable yet firm stance, while the wheels absorb shocks well, providing a stable ride on various surfaces. What really impressed me was the balance between power and control. It's not just about going fast, it's about feeling safe and confident while doing it. The battery also lasts long enough to keep the fun going on longer rides without constant recharging. If there's one thing to consider, the board's weight might be a bit on the heavier side for those who need to carry it frequently. Still, the Meepo Campus is a compelling choice if you want a reliable, powerful, and user-friendly electric skateboard that can handle your daily adventures. Wouldn't it be great to have a board that adapts to your pace and style effortlessly? When I first checked out the Uditer electric skateboard, its minimalist design and well-crafted remote caught my eye. The setup was straightforward and the board felt solid underfoot, giving me immediate confidence to hit the streets. This skateboard features a smooth acceleration curve and responsive braking, which made every ride feel controlled and enjoyable. The deck's grip tape is grippy without being abrasive, a nice touch for longer rides. The battery life impressed me too, providing enough juice for a solid ride without being bulky. Riding it felt like gliding on air. The quiet motors and smooth turns make it perfect for cruising through urban environments or parks. It's also surprisingly agile, which adds a layer of fun to every trip. One area for improvement might be the remote's range, which felt a bit limited compared to other models, but it's still sufficient for most casual rides. If you're looking for a solid, affordable electric skateboard that balances style and function, the Uditer could easily become your go-to. Can you picture yourself effortlessly weaving through traffic or enjoying a scenic ride with this board? The Abossum electric skateboard is a real surprise given its budget-friendly price. At first glance, it looks simple but well-built enough for light urban use. The remote is basic but gets the job done, making it easy to control speed and braking without complications. While it doesn't boast the power of higher-end boards, it's perfect for beginners or those wanting a casual ride around flat areas. The deck feels stable, and the wheels handle smooth pavements nicely, though it's not designed for rough terrains. What I liked most was how approachable it is for anyone new to electric skateboarding. No complicated features, just straightforward fun. Plus, it's lightweight, making it easy to carry when not riding. Of course, don't expect top speeds or long battery life here. It's more of an entry-level option for short distances. If you want to dip your toes into the electric skateboarding world without a big investment, the Abossum could be exactly what you need. Isn't it great when a budget option still delivers a good time? The Vmax X4 impressed me from the moment I took it out for a spin. Its solid construction and sleek deck design immediately suggested durability and style. The remote is compact yet ergonomic, offering precise control over acceleration and braking. This board features a smooth motor that provides ample power to tackle most urban terrains, with a comfortable ride thanks to the well-balanced deck and quality wheels. I found it particularly easy to maneuver in tight spaces, which is a big plus for city riders. The battery life is respectable, giving enough range for daily commuting or leisure rides without frequent stops for charging. The ride feels stable and responsive, which really builds confidence on the road. One thing to note is that the top speed might be just enough for moderate riders, so extreme speed lovers may want to look elsewhere. Still, the VMAX X4 is a dependable, stylish option that balances performance and price perfectly. Can you imagine owning a board that's ready for your daily adventures without complications? The MaxFine Max 1 is a fantastic budget-friendly electric skateboard that surprised me with its performance. The remote is straightforward and responsive, giving a nice sense of control from the start. The board's build quality feels solid for the price, with a grippy deck and sturdy wheels. While it's not the most powerful board out there, it offers smooth acceleration and stable braking, perfect for beginners or casual riders. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry around, which is a real bonus for city dwellers. Riding it felt fun and relaxed, ideal for short distances or cruising around neighborhoods. The battery life is decent for its category, enough to cover your daily errands or quick rides. If there's a downside, the Max 1 might struggle with steep hills or heavier riders, but for flat terrain, it shines. Are you looking for a no-frills, reliable electric skateboard that won't hurt your wallet? The MaxFine Max 1 could be the perfect match for your first electric ride. The Lakenbrod electric skateboard immediately caught my eye because of its modern LCD remote, which adds a touch of sophistication and practicality. The display provides real-time speed, battery level, and mode info, which is incredibly useful while riding. The board itself feels robust and well-balanced, with a deck that offers great grip and comfort. The motors deliver smooth acceleration and reliable braking, making every ride feel controlled and enjoyable. What I loved most is how the LCD remote enhances the riding experience by keeping you informed without distractions. It's perfect for those who want both performance and tech features in one package. While the price wasn't listed, the overall quality suggests it's a solid investment for riders seeking more advanced control. Wouldn't it be amazing to have all your ride stats right at your fingertips while cruising around? The Lakenbrod makes that possible, combining style, function, and control seamlessly.